Luar Kapatisi TV. Ka Undi Basnyam Bat Penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Halo ke Jingmi ke huri-hura hajan robot hospital Jaïaw Pdeng ha kami sekse jan ha ka bakladon ke Jingjia min saubrio bagi Jingjia penjulor ke kali pulit menteri ketenan kampo ying ke sarkar Jaïaw ba preston tensang ulong ba Donkam ban Mudui Ejahar ye ke Jingjia nama bladat banyak pinbet lang ha Pdeng pulit perkesnong ba blala bentem no hang tu hi ye ke jingkulmar.
Don't say that that state is become flawlessness. I think that is that is not the question at all. So you please ask.
But because there were repeated incidents, not only Jaïaw incident, even that syringe attack, even a student was dropped off.
About syringe attack. About syringe attack. Are you sure that it is an attack? Did you know that?
Yes.
That it is not an attack?
So you have to tell us.
I've already told, and then I think the official statement has been given.
No, what exactly happened?
Okay, so I will not deliberate much, but I'm telling you it is not a fact. That was not an attack. So you need to understand that. One.
Sir.
Then number two, about that incident happened that night at near Robert Hospital. Immediately the police went there and then intervened. Then ultimately, along with the headman, the locality, and all, then the situation was totally controlled and diffused.
Why the police did not file any FIR even after the...
No, ultimately, because see, this issue, you need to also understand one thing. Since we are jointly coordinated ourselves with the local authority, meaning with the local community over there, and then we had a discussion, we discussed, and then we ultimately resolved the issue amicably. So therefore, it's not necessary that we should file the FIR or they should file a FIR, because ultimately, I said so, jointly from the police side, along with the community headman, they were also part of the of this mission.